How to have effective open houses. My name is Chris Bryant. I'm a real estate coach. I help people build life-changing businesses that serve the good of their clients. To have an effective open house, you need to do 4 things. First is all about preparation. You need to know the market and know the property that you're holding open better than anyone else that walks into the property. Do this, you'll be more confident and you'll have better conversations. Second, focus on connecting with people before the event even happens. Through marketing, email, social media, all the things that you do, whether you're knocking on doors or posting a video, before the event is when you have the opportunity to make the most number of connections with the most number of people. Third, shift your focus from selling to connecting with people. If 20 people walk into your open house and you're just looking for the 2 people that want to buy, you're missing out on the other 18 people. If instead you'll show up ready to connect with people, you'll make more connections, build a bigger database, and have more opportunities to serve people in the future. Fourth is all about follow-up. Most people that you talk to are not buying today. So if you'll put a plan in place that allows you to follow up with them, not just tomorrow, but weeks, months, and even years down the road, you will fill your pipeline with potential opportunities to help people buy and sell real estate in the future. If this was helpful, give me a follow, give me a like, check out more tips in the future.